Hello guys, myself Chandan Kumar. Welcome back to my another video. Today's topic is how to make bootable device which you can use for any version of Microsoft operating system. I will be showing two ways to do this. Option number 1. For this you need 8 GB USB flash drive. This is mainly for Windows 10, for which you have to go to any browser and search for Microsoft Windows 10 full version and go to Microsoft official web page and select download tool now, and that will start downloading media creator tool. Run exe file once downloaded. Accept license agreement terms. Then you will get two options. One is for upgrading this PC and other one is for creating installation media using USB or CD DVD. We will go with second option with USB. In this window it will ask for language, edition and architecture. Architecture means 64-bit or 32-bit. I will go with recommended option and select next, but you can choose as per your requirement. In this window it will ask for which media to use, whether USB flash drive or ISO file image. Now it will ask you to choose correct drive later which you want to make bootable and select next. In my case I will select H drive and select next. Now the process will begin. I am fast forwarding this to make this video shorter. Once it's done, you are ready to install Windows 10 in any laptop. Now let's start with option number 2. For doing this you need 8 GB flash drive and bootable media, which can be USB or CD DVD. For doing this, go to command prompt and run as an administrator. Type disk part and then enter. It will take you to disk partition mode. Then type list disk and enter. This will display available disk on your laptop. Now select the disk which you want to make bootable by typing select disk and disk number. Now that disk will become selected disk. Then type clean and hit enter. This will clean selected disk. Then type create partition primary and enter. Type select partition 1 and enter. Then type active and enter. This will activate selected partition. After which you have to type command to format as NTFS. And enter. This will take some time. I am fast forwarding this to save time. And once the format is completed, type assign and enter. Then you can come out of disk part. You have to now copy bootable file from the USB or CD drive which is already bootable to the drive which you want to make bootable. So for that again go back to command prompt and type following command, where H drive is source from where we want to copy bootable file and I drive is destination drive which you want to make as a bootable. This is very important step. If you mistakenly selected vice versa, you have to again repeat all earlier steps. Also, if source drive is USB, then there is a chance of getting it corrupt. So be careful while doing this step, and once this is done, you are all set to go. You just have to copy any image file in it, for example Windows 7, 8 or 10 etc. as per your need. For example, once you have copied Windows 10 image file in it and later on if you want to use it as Windows 7, you can simply go inside pen drive and manually delete all files and copy Windows 7 image file and it's ready to go. Note, once you formatted this USB, this will no longer work or act as a bootable. You have to again repeat all this step to make it as a bootable. I will share all this command in description for you guys to refer. If you find this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.